Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech Captain. In this video, I'm going to tell you about how you can recognize music or song in your iPhone with a very simple method. So let's start the video. First, you have to open settings in your iPhone, and here you have to scroll down and open Control Center. Now here scroll down again and find music recognition option. You can see that music recognition option, that blue one. Tap and add to the control center. Now this option is added to the control center. You can see. Now go back from the settings and open the control center. Here you can see that music recognition option is available in the control center. Tap on it and now this option is on. So whenever you play any song near this phone, or even you are playing, for example, I'm playing any song on the YouTube. Now you can see the music recognition is listening the sound and it detected it. Now the music recognition is detected that this song is Abu Dhabi Part 3 song. So this is the right one as well. So by this way you can easily detect music near your iPhone, or even you are playing in iPhone. So that's it for the video. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Tech Captain, and I will see you in the next one.